So if it wasn't for this car, I would never have come to City Concourse and I would never have met you. And now you're going to share our next adventure, which is a ride, and I hope you have a great time, and I hope I can make you as comfortable as possible. So I'm just going to show you around the car, and I'm going to show you how much room I've left. There's certain things I have to take, such as oil, some extra bits and pieces like a toolkit, hopefully we won't break down, and little bits and pieces, but I'll show you how you can get a lot of stuff into this car, and you'll be hopefully very comfortable, and you'll feel at home, and we'll have a great time. So this is the last bit. So you can hang your suit carriers. I've got two evening wear outfits in a suit carrier behind my seat there, and also you've got some room in the footwell, but you can see there's lots of space in here, and you can see I've also got the camera set up so we can film our adventure and we can see how we're doing, and also you'll have the phone mounted nicely in front of you so you can see where we're going, because I'll be concentrating on the road. So yeah, hopefully you'll feel really comfortable, you'll feel really nice, and you'll really enjoy riding in a Lamborghini. It's a really special
camera.
You are? Oh, good morning. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks.
Great.
Okay.
Okay, so this is, we're ready? Ready? Yeah.
We're all ready to go.
On the train, and we are heading off to Calais. So when the red light's flashing, it means we're filming.
Filming which one?
It's filming us now,
So
speaking.
how are we going to see the bridge?
This will go behind us. You'll see it as it goes. We go under it. So here we go. Here comes the bridge. You see it? I'll show. I'll make a video. I'll show you how it looks. There's a bridge. Wow. Yeah, you can see the bridge behind us.
Is that on?
I don't know.
Next time you'll fly, right?
Okay. But it
My
feels like-
stomach.
How does it feel?
It feels like I just been exercising for half an hour on
Yeah,
crutches.
for me, to concentrate, to drive that quick, I don't see how the Germans can do it for very long. It's just incredible. It's just crazy.
Who does it for Berlin?
The Germans apparently they drive on the autobahn all the time.
Not with 238. They don't do that.
Well, it's it's got a speed limit to this bit, but this bit, I'm sure people do bomb down it and break the speed limit. So, Tina, how
Mark?
how you finding the trip?
I think it's very exotic because we've got castles around. It feels like a part of a group because we all drive together and everybody's super lovely and you're absolute gentleman. So I love this trip.
It's really kind. And what do you call the Lambo? What's your nickname for it?
Lamborghini.
What's your nickname for the car?
Lambi. The love car. The love car.
The love car.
Yes.
Okay. So this is just an update for us, and we've just had a lovely lunch at the chateau, and we're heading off to Germany now.
And he had all the dessert.
So, Tina, thank you so much for a wonderful companion, navigator, co-pilot, amazing.
You're welcome.
So, you had some special words to say to the very special friend in our lives. Maybe film this intimate moment?
Yes, I just wanted to, but I need to talk to the car. So
Yeah,
I
so
need
we're going to turn
this way,
around
yes.
and
And I will say,
let's have a look if I can get this speech. Oh, here we go.
oh,
Yeah, lovely. Yeah.
I just want to say thank you to the car for accepting me and for looking so gorgeous, looking after me. And yes, you're beautiful, but so am I. And thank you for agreeing to share him with me. So we just share him. It's not like yours or mine. We just share. That's the best way to be. Oh, we're best friends.
And that's how we do it.
This is how we